So a customer called us, and we just performed a preventative maintenance on all 3 doors. There's a high lift door in the back. There's a 16 by 8 on the left, and I think this is a 10 by 14 on the left. It's an RV bay. Basically, we adjusted the tracks, especially the tracks were out way too far. As you can see right here, we moved back an inch because it was too far out and there was too much playroom. So we adjusted that. We redid the control box. For some reason, the motor was a little finicky, and we completely reprogrammed it, redid it, and we redid that guy as well. And then all the rollers were lubricated, the springs were lubricated, and then right here we had to replace, as you can see, this is the old rollers, and here we installed 2 new ones because not only were they, I don't want to say anything bad about other garage door companies, but they were installed incorrectly and they started to deteriorate and too much wear and tear, which therefore a customer calls me. He's like, "Hey, Ivan, can you please come out? Can you please help me? This door is super loud. Sometimes it gets sticky and it doesn't work." So we replaced 2 rollers. The other rollers were good. And then we lubricated all of the rollers, hinges. We adjusted as well. If you come over here, and you can see the old place where this bracket mounted track was mounted. You can even see the hole right there. What we did was we unscrewed all the lag bolts and then moved the track in, so then the door doesn't have so much wiggle room, so much room where it has to be snug, exactly perfect. And this door works like butter now. That one and this one, I'll open it again. And these are not standard openers, but now it works without a problem whatsoever. And then once it opens, the problem with this door, because it has a side mount operator on here, what would happen was when the customer would click the button, it would stop 2 feet and then it would get stuck. But now, because we reprogrammed the opener, and there's a couple different issues that were here, but we fixed it all, and the customer is really happy. And once I press the button, now, as long as your sensors are cleared, we wiped off the tracks. We performed a complete, we did a whole tune-up on all these doors, and especially getting ready for winter. And look at this. Now the door closes, sealed up, real nice, and now it's all good. So if you want a tune-up on your door, just give Elite Doors a call. We'll be there. We'll put you on schedule. We'll make it happen. You got to call the professionals because we know what we're doing.